everyone, I just got this outdoor smart solar battery camera and I'm excited to test it out, open up the box, tell you all about what's inside and see how it works. So this camera has a bunch of different features. So one of the great things that it has is AI analysis. So that means it is going to recognize things that are in the picture and alert you through the app with smart notifications anytime it sees something. So it can recognize people, pets, vehicles, or packages. So you know instantly what exactly is outside your house or at your door instead of just wondering. So those smart notifications are really cool and such a great feature. It also has a bunch of other features, as you can see. It's a full HD camera. It does have these human detection and AI analysis. It is wireless, so you don't have to worry about hooking it up to the internet with hard wires. You can just connect wirelessly. Has two-way audio. You can have multiple people using the app, and you can also connect multiple cameras. So if you wanted to get one for your front door, one for your back door, one for your backyard, you can connect them all through the same app. It also has pan and tilt rotation. It's gonna give you 360-degree view of what is going on outside your house. The camera is also completely waterproof and weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about it being out in the rain or being out in the cold or the hot summer. It's going to still work every single time, no matter what. So it's just, all these little features are really, really great. Here is the first thing inside the box. It's just the manual. So all the directions that you need, nice pictures right there so that you can get everything connected. There's a quick start app that you can install to get all the features working and running through your phone. Very, very easy. It also has a little note right here about connecting the solar panel and how to just confirm that the micro USB plug is in contact with the camera. So it does have also mounting hardware, so you can connect the solar panel and mount it on your house or just next to the camera so that the battery is always working. This camera does have a rechargeable battery, so if you don't want to use the solar panel, this is the solar panel itself right here. So you can see all those little bars are gonna be collecting the sun, and here is the micro USB on the other side that's gonna connect to the camera. But as I was saying, if you don't want to use the solar panel, you can just recharge the camera electronically. So here is just a regular USB that you can plug it in and get the camera charged this way as well. So you have two different options of getting the camera charged. Here is just the mounting hardware. This is for the solar panel and for the camera as well. There's a bunch of screws, everything you need right inside the box there. And here is the camera itself. And also another piece of mounting hardware. This one is for the camera. So the black one was for the solar panel and the white is for the camera. So it's nice that it comes with everything you need to get it started. It does have this removable film right on the top there so that you know it's brand new and you know that it's scratch free when you get it. And you can see here is the camera itself, and it has two lights, so it also does light up, and it has color night vision, this camera, so you'll be able to see everything clear even in the dark. And this does pan and tilt, so you can see this moves, and you can move this through your app, so you can just kind of adjust it just with a touch of a button, and it also twists this direction. So again, that's that full 360 view. You're never gonna miss anything. It also has two antennas right here. So the antennas are going to make sure that you get the best reception from the camera to your app, to your phone, and be able to monitor it all the time. Here is the mounting spot right here. So you will be connecting this like that and get it mounted right up. And then it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, see how it works, download that app and get started. Also, there's just the USB, micro USB part that you will connect to either the solar panel or when you want to charge it inside. So let's test it out. So once I downloaded the app, I just turned on the camera using the on switch on the bottom, and it immediately could detect the camera. So I just had to connect it to my Wi-Fi. So I just put in my password, and right away it said that the camera was connecting. It connected to the device was found, it was initialized, everything was super fast, really easy. Maybe took 30 seconds. Then you can set the name and location for the device just for you. In case you have more than one camera, you can name them. I'm going to put it in my front door, so I chose front door. And then you can choose to sign up for extra cloud storage if you'd like. You can also just save it right through the app into your phone if you wanted to do that. So depending on your storage needs, you can do either way. Then once it was on, I was setting it up just in my kids' playroom. So if you see all the play equipment, but you can see it right away. Just very clear picture. Super easy to see. The app worked instantly. You can open it up and scroll into full screen mode so you can see what's going on full screen. You can use the buttons on the side to pan back and forth and get that full 360-degree view I was talking about before. Again, this is sideways just because it's in full screen mode. And then you can also do a bunch of different things where you can check for dates. If you wanted to see what happened on a certain day, you can go into the calendar, see any events that happened. So if the camera was on auto record and recorded something or took a picture, you can check in the camera. You can also take your own pictures. There's a record button, a photo button, so you can do it manually as well. You can adjust the lighting. You can set the alarm off. So if there's an intruder at your door, you can manually do that alarm right from your app, and the noise will go off on your camera at your house. So you can see all the different settings again. You can get that AI analysis going, the motion detection, everything. So super easy to use app. Here is the camera once it was set up. So you can see how clear the picture is outside, and I'm just using the pan buttons on the app to pan back and forth, scroll up and down just so you can get a clear view. You can see that there's a car coming. It just is picture perfect. So easy to use. I would definitely recommend this camera. Love that it comes with that solar panel as well, so it's very easy to set up and always have on and know that your house is protected. So I hope you found this helpful, and I would definitely recommend giving this camera a try.